Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of East Coast Bass Fishing. And it's been a while since I put up a video, so we're gonna try to produce one for you guys today. Skunk or no skunk, but the plan is to go out and try to catch some fish either way. 54 for the high today, 66 for the next 2 days, and we got rain for the next 3 days. I definitely want to get some fish and catch some fish before this rain comes. Looks like we're gonna get a couple inches of rain each day based off what I'm hearing, what I'm seeing on the radar and everything. But here in North Carolina, we've had some crazy weather, and that's just what we get here in North Carolina, around the February, March time, right before it turns into spring and everything. It's just kind of crazy, in which the fish just don't bite as well. So with that being said, I got a couple things rigged up, jerkbait jig and a lipless original Bill Lewis. It's in a gizzard shad, I believe. So guys, we're gonna get out here and see if we can get some fish. Hit a couple spots hopefully before it starts to get too bad out here. If it does, if not, we're still gonna fish anyway. So guys, I hope you guys enjoyed today's episode. All right, ladies and gents, out here, one of my favorite locations. Haven't been out here in a little while. It's a little stained. A little bit stained. No wind. I'm walking the bank here to see if I can see anything up shallow. I don't suspect they will be, but we're gonna try to figure them out, guys. This place has a few giants in it. I lost a few, caught a few. It's got numbers as well. Plenty of numbers in this place. So we're gonna see if we can't try to get on the bite here early this morning. It's around about, check the time, it's 8:37. See what we can catch out here. I'm gonna start off with the lipless. The starters. See if we can find anybody that's willing to eat the lipless right now. Well, the Bill Lewis rattle traplet is. Right here, guys, original shad pattern. I feel a little bit of wind kicking up. That's a plus. Don't mind that. I was hoping these fish will start to feed before the rain comes in. If not, when the rain does start. Just got the Mustad triple grips on. Let's get at it, guys. My drag set right, because I don't want to lose anything. That should be good right there. Maybe a little more. There we go. Oh, felt like a fish. Oh. There we go. There we go. All right. Starting off with a little dink, but nonetheless, it's a fish. I don't know if you guys saw that, but he hit it right at the bank. First fish I done caught in a little while here, guys. Look how white he is. That's a little male right there. He might be getting ready for the spawn. Never know. Never know. Alright, first one, guys. See if we can't grab us another one or two. Alright, let's take notice of how that happened, guys. He came all the way to the bank and ate it. I don't know which direction he came from, but either way. But one thing about that, he only hit the back hooks. It wasn't like he choked it. One thing you want to do when you're out fishing, just kind of pay attention to your bites. Your first bite could be a clue, could not be a clue. Just pay attention to how it all happened. This could mean that they might be moving up shallow right now. Feed early this morning, or it could just be he was in the area. But definitely chasing and hit the back hook. There wasn't a reaction strike at all. Oh yeah, good fish. Good fish. Oh yeah, he wanted that. Well, it's not that good of a fish, but either way, guys, he ate it. He ate it. Let's see if we can't do this without getting hooked in the hand. He ate it head first, guys. When they eat it like that, that's how you know they want it. They're getting bigger. A little bit bigger than the first one. This guy was definitely up shallow. So, second bite up shallow. That guy wanted it. There was no question about it, guys. Oh my God, again? You gotta be kidding me. Oh, this is a good fish. This is a good fish. Please be a good fish. Gotta be kidding me. Oh my God. Next cast. Next freaking cast. They are on it, guys. Wow. There's another one, guys. Definitely getting bigger. That's 3 fish. 2 fish in the last 2 casts. Same area. Let's get back at it. It gives it shad pattern, guys. They're eating it. So looks like we might have found us a pattern. That's definitely up shallow. 3 shallow bites, guys, within the last 5 minutes or so. Get back into the same spot. They might be just stacked up over here. Let's find out. Felt bigger than what he was. He was foul hooked, which means he swiped. Another one, guys. Oh. Can't tell me they're not eating. They are munching. They are eating. Put out the fires. Not catching giants, but guys, we definitely on some numbers right now. That one hit it and wasn't sure at first, but Dinkaroo. Alright guys, that's number, what is that, number 4? I was rolling that one high in the water column, you came and smoked it. Haven't landed a giant yet, or anything over a pound and a half or so, but we're definitely in the 1 pound category, which is totally fine, given the fact that my last 3 or 4 attempts out, I've been straight skunked, but they're feeding. Definitely feeding, guys. I'm definitely power fishing this original Bill Lewis here. Again. Oh my God. That's a better one. Or is it? Yep. There we go. There we go. There we go. There we go. That tail, guys. Look at that tail. What's going on? I think it's pre-spawn out here. I really do. I'm gonna get these hooks out of them, guys. I'm gonna have you guys take a look at this. Look at that tail right there. I don't know if you guys can see that. But this guy, his tail is bloody. This has got to be a pre-spawn bite. These are all buck bass. These are males, definitely. That's about a 2-pounder right there. Fish number 5. Haven't had a day like this in a while, but these fish are on the move. I believe they're moving up. I believe this is a pre-spawn bite, guys. Definitely in that time of the year. It's number 5. Oh, I got you, I got you, I got you. Number 6. He's good. I'm gonna hit this back area where it's really shallow, but I do know they spawn out here in the spring. And this place has a lot of pads. Well, excuse me, usually does. But right now, it kind of died off, so that way I can still throw this lipless in here, or this Bill Lewis around without getting hung up as much. Kind of weed my way through. Well, maybe. Go around. Nah, not trying to lose his lure. There we go. I saw him. I saw him. I saw him. Right between those pads. He was definitely sitting there waiting to feed. I'm gonna do some surgery on this guy. He choked it. Let's see if I can get him unhooked without hurting us. Yep, he's fine. Thank God. He choked it. Had to actually cut the line off my lure right here and do some surgery because he hit it hard. He didn't hit it hard, he just choked it. But either way, you gotta do what you gotta do to preserve these fish, guys, and make sure they live to see another day, so that our kids and our kids, our grandkids, so on and so forth, can enjoy Mother Nature and this great sport of bass fishing, guys. Cut off this tag and retie. It's probably about time for me to do it anyway, but nonetheless, guys, fish number 7. Number 7. I knew there'd be something over here. Just knew it. I hope you guys enjoyed today's episode of catching these bass. I caught, quite a few, 7 decent bass, some things, but that last one, not the last one, but the second, maybe third last, definitely looked like a spawning bass, moving around areas that are, your typical spawning areas. So hopefully things pick up and we'll find some more bass that's moving up south to feed and so forth and so on. But guys, as always, hope you guys enjoyed today's episode, and I will catch you on the next one. Thanks for watching. Peace.